Hi all, welcome to Bodhi Coding. Today we are going to see how to create a donut chart in Tableau. To do this, we are going to use the US sample Superstore dataset, which is open source and available in the online. That will contain the Superstore's product details and its sales details. So to download the data, we have to go to the website community.tableau.com docs doc 1236. I just copy this link and I'm going to paste this link into my web browser. So let it wait. My page is loading. So this page will contain the data which is we are going to use in the Tableau public. So it will contain the product sales details and other details to the customer name, who, which country from the customer. So like that. So let the page is loading. It will save. It will take some quiet times. So you can see that there is a XLS file which is called sample superstore in this web page. So this is the data we are going to use in our Tableau public. So we can simply download the data. So it will prompt to save the data where we have to save. So I just stored it into my desktop Tableau folder. So I just give the save button, it will be saved. After the data downloaded, we have to go the Tableau public. So I told that our data is in the form of .xls. So we have to choose the Microsoft Excel source here to load the data. So when I press that, it will prompt to the folder where my data is stored. So I just go to this Tableau public and I have select the sample superstore for the file which is I had downloaded latest. So just press the open. Now the Tableau public will load the XLS data which we have downloaded from the website. So it will take some quiet times. So after the XLS file is loaded, it will shows the sheet name from that XLS sheet. So in this tutorial, we are going to use the orders sheet name, which will contain the product details. So I press the orders and just drag it to the tables. So we can see that each order from the superstore will be printed listed here. So it will contain the order ID, order date, ship mode, customer name, segment, city, from of the product and extra details. So now we are going to show the sales based on the category wise using the donut chart. So how many total sales of the furniture, total sales of the office shop, like that we are going to show in the form of donut chart. So now I have to go my sheet to do the donut chart. Just press the sheet 1. So first I have to change my title like category wise sales. So just change it to the bold and center. Okay, so now we have to show the category wise sales in the form of donut chart. So we have to use the two columns from here, which one will be the category another will be the sales. Okay. Now just take the category into the row span and sales into the text span. So it will shows the category wise total sales. Now we have to go to the show me and we have to change the chart type here. So we have to choose the pie chart. Now we can see that our chart will be showing like our data will be showing like pie chart. So just go to this and change it to the enter view. Now we can show the category name and the sales in the label also. So I just going to push into the category into the label and also the sales into the label. So now we have to create another one chart like this in the same page. So we have to create one calculated field which will be act as a dummy variable. So I'm going to create one calculated field. So I'm going to name it like my value and I'm going to initiate this value as 1 and just press to the apply and press OK. Now we have to bring this my value into the rows 2 times. So there are two graphs will be showing here. Now we have to convert this into the dimension. It will be back to the pie chart form. So in that in the two charts, one will be act as our inner chart and another one will be act as our outer chart. So we can choose anyone as the inner chart. Okay, I'm going to choose this my value to as my inner chart. From here we have to remove this whole details. This category we don't want and this size we don't want and also this category we don't want. So this will be showing the total value of that. So which means the summation of this and this will be equal to this value. So now we are going to change color of this my value to pie chart. So just go to this and select color of white and we have to increase the size of this one above chart. Okay, so now we have to select the dual axis from here. So now we can see that the donut chart will be created. So after the dual axis is given, we have to provide the synchronous axis which will be synchronous to these two chart. Now we can remove this show header and it will be removed. So it will show our donut chart. We can increase the size from this here. So this is the donut chart which will shows the sales based on the category wise. Thank you for watching.